Yo, ebusiafo enenso bio me makwaba edeba anointed health episode esobio. Muba musonfo munia ketwa made nyina ayizeguaten ena masa aba muchembio mu. Megidi se obi bia ho ye ewo ne fie mu abra mo hwe anointed health episode no. Na saa na tie ya pu ye ni da so nyina ne se obi abenya pomodin pa. Ene ye nige ewo ne fie. Our aim and objectives is to get a very good healthy lifestyle and happy family. And no any opia need us so. And when we follow our health episode, ye di apomodin cheche ye chia, ebe boyen na etimi ama yenya ema ye pese ye atini no. Ebetimi aboyen ema yenya sa em ni ye pa ewo addition ye following. Enti no dofo wa wo hwe ye da no me pa chawo kai say ene your first time they always subscribe na click adoma no so na say every time e bia every Tuesday bia the latest to mu say pe na won saka na wait ma hwe ne kama sa na tie eno nti no anointed health episode ene etifia asem no ye ka say last week ye betwa ene etifia asem no so na last week no ni yesua mock na yesua say last week ni yesua say mock etie bia enye aduane. And then ye pese ye hu ne say milk factory na nkasa no efri hi na milk factory na nkasa kwan ben so na omofa so no produce milk a ewo dwa so bebre ye ma yen na ye to na ye nom no na ye de no kwan ben so no omofa no produce ma yen eno eni ne nkom a me no ba be hwehwi. The topic for today is the true milk factory. The true milk factory. Na ye kan. And there we have a lot of milk factories in our system. There were milk, biaya milks be brave. Nemo, kwaya ya faso be milks, and so ya who do be. Now, kwaya ya faso de milk no, any milk ni din neko. Biaya milk ni de be brave. Ena milk a who do ye ni na aye bakona. Nemo, kwaya who do ya faso ye no, and the type of milk I produce. Entino. First of all, milk eye aboa mu no funsuo se na last ye hu ye aboa ni nipa nyina produce no funsuo. But ye milk na ye nom no de se ye hu se ye nipa de ye mpa ye no funsuo na mu aboa de ne ye pe. Enti aboa na ye nom ni no funsuo no. Eno na ene ye be se yesu hu se aboa no funsuo na ye nom no. Etesen se milk achibre. O call back in the ages. Nhwehwe mama ya say titi enche ye bia in the 19th century ever say 18th num ho ye fa aboa ana nantwe a watuma dolly no betima produce milk pa. A very fertile cow will produce 4,000 liters of milk in a year. A very fertile cow will produce up to 4,000 liters of milk in a year. Afini nyinemu no milk nantwi a wa dore pa no milk obetima produce per 4,000 liters. Na ene de ye ba ne pa fem anka yesusu se nnuane yase no ye cofield no so a mo spray no nti no ama field ni nyina enye no ene mu no nantwi etimi produce from 6,000 liters to 10,000 liters a ebo adwene jase so na enye ade esesesi ensese eba ne sa se nantwie etimi be produce 6,000 liters area copim 10,000 liters of milk in a year. Ensese sa wait just say no ntimi produce crop produce 6,000 no bet me produce 10,000 na ema ya say even enne no nantwie etimi produce 27 liters of milk in a day. Hey, now you say and no nantwie etimi produce milk more than 5 gallons in a day. Nantwie etimi produce more than 5 gallons in a day. Eye hu na ye hwanwa anka enye ensese banesa but abanesa denti na abanesa ene de midija menu mienu nyina se yenwenwe ho nenti abanesa de eye menu mienu na yenwenwe ho na mo ye ba be kan milk ahudu ewo dwaso ene kwan a ye fa so ye ene ni nuanu nuo no se na tie ye kwan ahudu miensa na ye de milk na ene nyina eye abra ni bie ba no na esesa na ka milk de ye ntwem no fosuo ye twepe ye friend whole milk ene na nka omo twe ana omo use but ebedu mrebi mu say milk ne ye twe di so ope say enti ye pe kwan bi so aye be fa so aye be ye na milk ne ye twe a ye tima bo ho ban na ansei ene enti no omo develop e kwan bi a ye friend say pasteurization method. Say pasteurization method no eye kwan a ne ye fa so de bo milk ho ban eye in the ages of 16th num e ba 18th century num no sa kwan yi na mo fa so de bo milk ho ban na eno no e ba de sa milk na ye bo ho ban no etimi lusu ni nnuan nnuo na wodo ni bi elusu ni nnuan nnuo na wodo ni bi afen so no eboa ni ne ehia pa ne se nyontom nyomo hwe nyina ne se milk no ebetimi atena ho ache kakra edi nna bi eno kwan ni hia de wom na mo enye se milk ni benya ho di nuo san se sa kwan no eboa kra eti milk na ho di nuo no eso ye ri kan ka say it doesn't matter the nutrient of the milk, it's not for food, but when you preserve milk you even reduces the nutrients of the milk. That is one. And nimdie eba no, then we develop another way of preserving milk. Any your friend UHT sterilization method. So UHT sterilization method no a new method that yet me finding say ye bet me e dey sterilize milk. Na yet me so e dey aboa. Na ama ne spam ne life spam no ache kakra. Enti se yet me twi milk bebre fi na ntwem a ye be bo ni nyina ho ban na ya ton ama nipa. Ni edi. Nipa de ye be di. Eno so eye one method that ye be suaye. Na eno no so no abra nimdie me koso no na milk na ho de nuo no eso ete. Ya bi ga hu say simple de milk na mo an produce na ngasa de me no wa say ye de to ya adwuma ete say because obi asa say oma ade makoma fo no say ene de enye 4 na mema na mu mema 8 wa susu na bi say 8 no de ma no aso ete say 4 na nka de be ma na na debi entimi nti say 4 no de biarada nti minu nyina yesusu eno ho na yesan preserve na yesan so reduce ni nutrients no na ho ni nuo no esan so bafem by at least 20%. At least 20% sa ho ni nuo ni bafem. Ena new one aba you say ye pe classic one ye pe moka ye preserve a betime di more than 2 years. That is classic sterilization method. No. Ena minyanu mebre say one na enwe nam no omo lack vitamin B12. One na omo enwe nam ensa no milk kra no de. Omo lack vitamin B12. Ensa say vitamin B12 e omo mu. Na sa vitamin B12 yi ena milk na ye bo ho ban na ye ton wo store no. Enso lose sa vitamin B12 ye sa ne say ya sterilize no. It is a vitamin B12 niti anka wo no milk no. Ene ehun be nya say anka nom kra san say ya sterilize no. Anti vitamin B12 no eso active who 80%. Abafem kra enti ne hia say aduane na ye die no aduane no na anka ya fi say wo mu no na nutrients the nutrients we feels they are in the food no with preservation no we've reduced all the nutrients at least 50%, and even some of the nutrients are reduced up to 80%. That is what we've done to the milk. Now, what are the milks we have? We have the whole milk. Whole milk, no, milk na actually raw. The new milk are actually raw if you know. And the whole milk is a high fat milk. Whole milk beer has its fat contents not lower than 3% in the milk. Whole milk has its fat contents not lower than 3%. That is the whole milk. And let me tell you, the water in the milk is more than 50%. It's almost 70 to 80%. That is the water in the milk. So if we say the fat content it's more than 3%, but then you have to know that then the nutrient contents, the protein, vitamin, minerals, carbohydrate, all these nutrients is not even up to 10%. because fat is more than 3. Then all this is not even up to 10%. So all the nutrients we think we are getting from the milk are even very less as compared to the fats. And whole milk wey dey ye mo ho ban nti ye nom. And ye wa another milk biom eno ye frɛ say ye frɛ evaporated milk. Eno milk sa ya bo ho ban no. Na evaporated milk no na first no evaporation method na no mu use machine at the boiling milk no with the heat of 55 degrees Celsius. Na yama milk ne huru ye pa. Na ehuru ye pa. Eswati nsu a ewo milk no 60% efiri mu. Nsu a wo milk no 60% efiri mu. E ma na ka 40%. E ka 40% ya say ya evaporating milk no. And you know, it will help for the milk to stay long. All the preservation method for the milk is to help for the longevity of the lifespan of the milk. Say ebe buana milk no etmenyi ache adaho ache. That is the only reason. In for so pe wo ho nie. Ena say ya even evaporation method na so ha. Ya twaso na so mo evaporating milk na 60% difference sa ya sanso mani sija so e mani boil it to the higher level of 120 degrees Celsius and sana omatua e dey si wa ka say milk is ready for preservation. And so then we had another type of milk which we call condensed milk. That is the dangerous one. And na misro no, because condensed milk no, we've evaporated the milk already. Yes, also the basic so emanasa evaporate 60% of the water again. Every mu. Na ye we are ya kofa sitire 45% as compared to the whole weight of the milk. Na ye susu ye no. Ya nane near their fra milk no, near canfra, near friend condensed milk. With this milk no, me pa cho, there's no nutrients. No nutrients. Nutrient is not up to 5%. And because of the nutrient even level is high, a citron idea the high sugar level it even also causes indigestion. A man intimate digestion, it have difficulty in digestions. So this is the problem. These are the milks we are taking. These are the things we are taking into our system. Thinking, say, no, I would do away. Whole milk na kasa ne can den na evaporated milk. Evaporated milk na kasa ne can den na condensed milk. Then the method of even preserving it no. The pasteurization method no can den. Na UAT sterilization method. Sterilization method no can then now we are classifying it. We want a classic one to sterilize it. Na yen tin you no ni na amra fam. Whenever I'm giving these messages, I feel very emotional because it hurts me say me nan for wait my stomach and no full milk in a day, of which on gaining any nutrients or better condensed milk. Now all the good bread mu and your bread papa bia say white bread me like me recommend the class say yemfa roka because a foam white bread now asan so hwe condensed milk e de gumu say chofe na wadi enuanom mesremo. Let's make a change. Even the Bible teaches us about milk. The teachings about Bible about milk is not about say aduane a rich food. Milk is not a rich food. Milk a come aduane is a poor food, poverty food. Abra koma ba no. Na ye nya aduane bia nie no, na ye kɔ nantwe wɔ kɔsrɛ ne milk. Eno kɔ mo ba no ma ba nua mu. Akene no enene pepefo no fɛ no wagashi no. O ma be kene no. No mo fɛ no wagashi no. Eye hiafo aduane. Nanso ene ni kun me hyam nua mo hwɛ me. Please let's help ourselves. Let's help ourselves to live healthy. Let's help ourselves to stay from allergies. Yɛmmoa yɛn ho na nnuane bi wɔ hɔ a nyame de plants bia ma yɛn sɛ yɛ aduane, so that we will not eat some plants and we will be allergic to them. That it will happen that say na me too na mehu apple, I can't eat apple because I'm allergic to it. Mehu pawpaw, carica papaya, the best fruit ever in the world, I can't eat it because I'm allergic, because milk, I'm allergic to certain foods. Please, let's help ourselves. Next week we'll continue the causes of milk. Nia milk creates me yamani pediano. Next week na me adoma ebeto aso. Na me shiraw say wo share anointed health episode. Na me ka ho no ye okese. Mba cho kai biom say anointed health. YouTube. Oba Facebook say anointed health page. Oba benya the same question bia wetin so dey at all ye be answer on brano. Na me shiraw say wo share ye na ba boa na ma anointed health family no akonanim me pa cho menhwe mo ko menhwe share for invite friends from nowhere we na for mo school mo ba bia invite them, let them join, let them learn, let us all come and learn together the health messages that we have to learn and help us to live healthier. God bless you. Bye bye.